In last section, we have seen about the ROLAP and the MOLAP. Now we are going to see about the hybrid, that is HOLAP, with the help of the managed query environment. Here the hybrid OLAP is the mixture of both relational OLAP and multidimensional OLAP, and it offers the fast computation of MOLAP and the higher scalability of ROLAP. So that HOLAP uses the two databases. Here aggregated and computed data is stored in a multidimensional OLAP cube, and detailed information is stored in the relational database. So both we are utilizing, so that we'll be having more advantages over here. So the HOLAP tools use both pre-calculated cubes and the relational data stores. And the benefits of the hybrid, it helps to economize the disk space, and also it gives faster performance, and we can instantly update, and it brings the cleaning and conversion of data very easily. The drawbacks of hybrid OLAP is all about the greater complexity level. That is, it supports both ROLAP and MOLAP tool, so that it creates some complication. And the second thing is the potential overlaps. Why it's potential overlap? Because of the functionalities, especially the functionality, it gives the higher chance of overlapping process. Why? We have utilizing both ROLAP and MOLAP, so their both functionalities have been mixed together. So it gives some issues over there. These are overall advantages of OLAP that we have seen in the last session, and the disadvantages of OLAP. Now we are going to see the categories of all other types of OLAP. As we already seen ROLAP, MOLAP and HOLAP. Now we are going to see about the DOLAP. So DOLAP in the sense in desktop OLAP, so that here user downloads a part of the data from the database locally or on their desktop and analyze it. Same as this, DOLAP is relatively cheaper to deploy, as it's offer very few functionality compared to the OLAP system. And next is the WOLAP, that is Web OLAP. Here Web OLAP, which is the OLAP system that access via web browser. So it has the three-tier architecture. It consists of three components like client, middleware, and the database server. And next is the MOLAP, that is mobile OLAP. Here mobile OLAP helps user to access and analyze the OLAP data using their mobile devices. Next is the spatial OLAP. So SOLAP, it creates and facilitates to manage both spatial and non-spatial data in GIS, that is Geographic Information System. So this is the main differentiation we are going to see about the basic comparison of ROLAP and MOLAP. The full form, as we already know, it stands for, ROLAP stands for Relational Online Analytical Processing, MOLAP stands for Multidimensional Online Analytical Processing. Whereas when compared to the storage and fetch, here ROLAP storage in data warehouse, MOLAP storage in MDDB. Next, data form. The ROLAP form of data in relational table. Here it's in cube form. And the volume, it takes ROLAP in large data volume, whereas in MOLAP it is using MDDB, so that limited summarized data to be kept over here. And next is the technology which we are using. In ROLAP they are utilizing SQL queries to fetch the data, whereas in MOLAP they are utilizing the pre-calculated data and the sparse matrix to be utilizing. And view, as a view mode, ROLAP is a two-dimensional view, multi-dimensional view of data. When dynamically we can utilizing it, whereas MOLAP it's a static. Why? Because multi-dimensional view of data to be already fixed over there. Whereas when compared to access, ROLAP is slow access and MOLAP is a fast access process. So these are the types which will be utilizing for the accessing purpose. Comparison of both ROLAP and MOLAP. These are the main thing. With the help of this, we will be build the HOLAP, that is hybrid LOAP. So this is the one of the example assessment of how the RDBMS server and MOLAP ROLAP, everything to be built from data layer, application layer and the presentation layer. It has been given to here. So these are the simplified model how they are utilizing. So here we'll be having that answer of data layer, RDBMS server are there, and ROLAP engine will be the dynamic creation, and finally we'll be having application layer, that is the application layer, and finally we'll be having presentation layer, that is the client desktop. This is the main differentiation of how we'll be utilizing that has been given here. Thank you.